Hi, my name is John Long, Principal Consultant and President of the New Millennium Technology, NMT Company, LLC. We focus on 4 areas of expertise: strategic global sourcing, supply chain management, international operations, and Lean Six Sigma. At New Millennium Technology, NMT, we deliver strategic global sourcing right the first time, every time. Choose NMT Global Sourcing to expand your company's opportunity frontier. While China continues to be the #1 offshore manufacturing destination, with an increasing number of U.S. manufacturers relocating back to the States and Chinese manufacturers opening operations in the U.S., we focus not only on offshoring but also reshoring. Even so, a huge cost gap still exists between developed countries like the U.S. and West Europe and low-cost countries like China and Southeast Asia. This ensures continuous growth in sourcing from these regions, whether you are a major industrial manufacturer of precision parts or an energy company focused on power generation or oil and gas. Everyone knows that managing a global sourcing network can be a daunting challenge. Is it better to navigate it alone or bring on board an experienced guide to help you identify, select, and build the relationships you need around the world? This decision impacts every facet of your business, from staffing to supply chain strategy, and sends a message to your entire organization about the importance of maintaining an international perspective. Unfortunately, many companies tackle global sourcing alone and make easily avoidable mistakes. More time is spent managing lengthy processes rather than leveraging suppliers. Resource and standardization are lacking. Cultural and language barriers lead to confusion. Technological constraints cause weakness in production capacity, and unexpected trade regulations interrupt business. Here are some reasons why you need NMT on your side. Have you ever had to meet a short timeline for new production development overseas? A major washing machine manufacturer responded to such a need when the demand surged overnight for a rubber seal to be developed and produced in Taiwan within a short few weeks. What if you need high quality but feel restricted by readily available prices? A multinational oil company in exploration and production fell in love with the brand quality of European valves, but not with their prices. NMT found the foundries in China that they wanted at a price they could afford. When you need to make a specific price point, are you thinking about global sourcing? A global construction equipment manufacturer was able to cut friction materials project cost by nearly 50% when leveraging their global spend. But it is not all about price. When you work without borders, you often have fewer boundaries. When Walmart's air freshener line brought us a sketch of what they wanted for their next bottle, we found international sources for all 7 major components. Although they were manufactured in various locations all around the world, they arrived in one shipment ready to be built. Let us show you innovative sourcing processes, procurement strategies, and Lean Six Sigma techniques that will elevate your supply chain capabilities to achieve higher growth and greater market share. Boeing's wide-body jets are assembled with millions of parts and miles of wiring sourced from subcontractors around the world, including our actuators and controls from 5 continents, and brought together for final assembly in one location. We led strategic sourcing function for one of the largest midstream oil and gas companies, encompassing contract, supplier management, and category management, which yielded $10.2 million savings within 1 year, bringing 45% of spend under contract through strategic agreements while fully integrated supply chain functions across 3 ERP systems: SAP, PeopleSoft, and Oracle. We leveraged the requirements and purchase quantities for one of the world's largest valve manufacturers in North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific to create a best-in-class global sourcing and supply chain management process. Results across 33 countries included savings of $4.5 million, achieving a high level of inventory accuracy and maintaining an optimal level of stock to double their inventory turns with 40% reduction in material cost. What is your specific needs? Is it training and development of your most valuable assets, the people that constitute your sourcing team? Training can include a highly specialized global sourcing workshop, a Lean Six Sigma workshop, which will significantly enhance your operational efficiency, or a standard certification review course for Apex CSCP, CPIM, CLTD, and ISM's CPSM. In-house custom courses are also available to meet the exact needs of your members. In consulting, NMT focuses on supply chain transformation, which helps companies improve their performance management, reduce costs, organize resources, and strategically position themselves for long-term effective management. NMT has locations both in the US and China and partners around the world. With our experience and global connections, your sourcing need is limited only by your imagination.